Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying service and basic conditions. Confirm your carrier permits tethering and that data isn't capped or suspended. Once done, make sure the phone has enough battery and the hotspot toggle is visible in settings. You should also reboot both the phone and the device you'll connect. Restarting clears transient network locks. While they reboot, note the hotspot SSID and password so you can re-enter them precisely. Small typos often cause failures. Next, you tackle deeper settings. Toggle airplane mode for 10 to 15 seconds to reset radio hardware, then disable it and try the hotspot again. If that fails, reset network settings on the phone to remove corrupted profiles. This clears saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular tweaks but often fixes hotspots. Also inspect the access point band. Many older laptops need too. 4 GHz, so switch bands if necessary. Make sure to re-enter credentials after resets. To finish, update the phone's operating system and carrier settings. Software fixes frequently resolve tethering bugs. Then test the hotspot with a second client device or try the phone with a different SIM to isolate whether it's the phone, SIM, or client. If the hotspot still won't activate, check for carrier provisioning or hardware faults. Contacting carrier diagnostics is the next step. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see a provisioning error, ask the carrier to reprovision tethering on your account before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.